back here again here. We're at our second stop in a place called Gaithersburg, Maryland, and we're doing a flashing repair. So yeah, let's show you what we're at here. So yeah, the homeowner had a leak where you see the window here, the flashing, when the houses were built. I guess the builders, they missed the counter flashing up there, so he's been having some water come through the sidewall. And it's about a good 55, 60 foot in the air, so that's why we had to rent this lift here. We don't work with these lifts every day, so we're kind of slow poking it right now. Good thing is we got real nice weather today. Too hot, not too cold, not too breezy, just right. So yeah, as you can see, our guys are moving it over here. So I think we got it. Again, we're kind of slow poking here because we only work with these units maybe about once or twice a year, if that. Boom lifts are very sensitive, which is good from a safety standpoint. We're actually trying to get our unit in the middle of the street, because if the unit is tilted, pretty much cut off on us because of a safety issue. Just about there. What we're doing, we have to get our measurements, and they'll have to come back down to bend the metal, and then we'll come back and put everything in place. I think we're coming back down to get some of our materials and bend some metal. Maybe they're adjusting here. We do need to get the other part. We got our measurements there and everything. We go down and bend some metal, and we'll put our counter flashing up there that was missing, and then yeah, that should take care of the leaks. So yeah, if you could use this service, we entice you to look us up on Facebook or on Instagram. Check us out on our website. Okay, thank you and have a great day. Over now.